Good morning, class. It is theorem number 18. Result on obtuse triangle, also called obtuse triangle theorem. Triangle ABC is an obtuse triangle. Obtuse angle at B if AD is perpendicular to CB. Prove that AC square equal AB square plus BC square plus 2BC into BD. Given. Firstly, since triangle ABC is an obtuse triangle, obtuse angle means greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. That triangle ABC is an obtuse angle triangle. This angle is obtuse angle and ED is perpendicular to CB. ED is perpendicular to CB. Given triangle ABC is an obtuse angle triangle, obtuse angle at B, also AD perpendicular to CB. It is given. Now we have to prove that AC square is equal AB square plus BC square plus 2BC into BD. We have to find this relation. Now proof. In triangle ADB, by Pythagoras theorem, we have in triangle ADB, AB is hypotenuse, AD is perpendicular and DB is base. Then square of the hypotenuse is the sum of the square of other two sides, means AD square plus BD square. By using Pythagoras theorem, we have AB square equal AD square plus BD square. Now in triangle ABC, angle D is right angle. Then we have this relation, let it is equation 1. Now in triangle ADC, angle D is right angle. Angle D is right angle. Then by Pythagoras theorem, we have D is right angle, AC is hypotenuse, means AC square is equal to the perpendicular AD, and for triangle ADC, DC is base. Now DC can be written as DC is the sum of DB and BC. DC is the sum of DB and BC. Then it can be written as DB plus BC square. Now AC square is equal AD square. Expand this term, we have DB square plus BC square plus 2 BC into DB by using square of A plus B. Now AD square plus DB square, from first AC square is AD square plus DB square equal AB square plus BC square to BC into DB can be written as BD. AD square plus DB square is equal to AB square, and it is proved. Means in triangle ABC, if angle B is obtuse angle, then EC square means square of the opposite side is equal to the AB square plus BC square plus 2BC into BD, where AD is the perpendicular on CB.